Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about my C++ program that I created for my practical assignment. This program is quite simple, but it's very useful for learning how to use basic decision-making structure like if, else, if, and else in C++. So basically, this program gives user a choice between two features. The first one is to check a student graduation status, and the second one is calculate an employee's salary when the program starts. It displays a menu that lets the user choose which program they want to run. If user choose the student graduation feature, the program asks for two inputs, the student name and their final score. After entering those values, the program checks whether the score is equal to or greater than 75. If it is, the program will show that the student has passed and categorize them as good, but if the score is below 75, it will show that the student did not pass in categories as pure. The part of the program demonstrates of is else statement work in a very clear and simple way. It's an example of how computers can make decisions based on conditions that we set. It also helps us understand how logic can be used to automate grading or evaluation process. The second feature of the program is salary calculator. When this option is selected, the program will ask for several inputs such as the employee name, their position, their salary level, and their basic salary. After that, it will calculate an allowance based on the employee salary level. The allowance percentage is different for each level. For example, the allowance, the program then adds the allowance to the basic salary to get the total salary. Finally, it displays all the results including the employee name, position, level, allowance, and total salary. When interesting here is that the calculation also use if else if statement to determine how much allowance should be given. Is another example of how decision making logic can control the flow of a program. So depending on what the user inputs, the program will automatically perform a different calculation. And of course, if the user enter a choice that doesn't exist in the menu, the program will display a message saying that the option is not available. This part shows how we can handle invalid input using an else statement to give a friendly message instead of letting the program crash. Through this project, I learned a lot about basic C++ syntax and how to build simple console-based application. It helped me understand how to use GNN code for input, how to create menus, and how design logical condition to control a program behavior. Even though this program example is reflect real-life logic that can be found in many software systems. For example, in school system automatically decide whether a student pass or fail based on their grades. And in office, payroll system calculates salaries and allowance using similar rules. So what if grade here is like a very small version of the real system? Overall, this assignment helped me get more comfortable writing and running C++ in Dev C++, and it also gave me confidence in structuring program using logical thinking. I think learning toward small hand-on project like this one of the best ways to understand programming concept. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.